Hello, I am a representative of Group 1. Here I will explain a little about the theater material or the content of this theater, namely about rainfall and floods that often occur until now. Let's go!
Hi, my name is Raffi Raizan Fulfian. I want to introduce my group. I'm from group number 1.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Akbar Fauzi. I'm from group number 1.
Hi everyone, hello, my name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman. I'm from group number 1.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Suryawanda. I'm from group number 1.
Hi everyone, my name is Isna Rengganis. I'm from group number 1.
Hello everyone, I'm good.
Hello friends, how are you? Long time no see since you moved to Jogja.
Guys, I'm fine.
Hello everyone, I'm good to happy to talk with you.
Oh yes, you guys there one major suatu in Jogja.
I'm majoring in geography.
Wow, you guys are cursing about the rain.
Yes, why is that?
Is the local rain that bad? Can cause a big flood?
Huh? What is local rain?
Local rain is rain that only falls or hit a certain area or uneven. Local rain patterns occur due to the influence of local conditions.
Oh, so thanks for the explanation.
By the way, yesterday it just rained in my house area.
Then what is the impact of the rain?
According my father, the rain caused flooding in several areas and also damaged several houses.
Is the local rain that bad? Can cause a big flood?
Actually, the worst rain can happen because the weather is very extreme and bad, which cause the worst rain and can cause big floods.
As far as I know, it was the worst rain that has ever happened in Manado area in 2014, which caused a huge flood and killed 18 people and damaged houses.
Oh my god, that's really bad. I was also soaked in the rain when I was going home from campus during the trip. Many motorbikes were trapped because they were soaked in the flood.
Very scary. Don't forget to pray to stay safe.
Come on, let's go home. It's already cloudy. It's look like it's going rain.
Yes, friends, don't forget to learn about how to deal with floods and stay careful. Bye bye.